Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on ames.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter names of numbers. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? So here I am on grade 2 math. The chapter we are on right now is names of numbers. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is ordinal numbers up to 10th. Let's just start with the first lesson. What color is the sixth square? Start counting from the right. So you have to see which is the sixth one, right? You have to start counting from the right side. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So when you count from the first square and you have to find the sixth one is purple color it is, right? So that means the sixth square is purple color. The sixth square is purple, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. What color is the fourth square? Start counting from the left side. So you have to see which one is the fourth. You have to start counting from the left side. This one is the left. So start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So which one is fourth square? The correct option is green. The fourth square is green. The correct option is green. Got it? What color in the what color in is the seventh square? Start counting from the right. So which is the correct option? One, two, three, four. Yes, that is red. The correct option is red. Very good. What color is the third square? Start counting from the left side. So which is the correct option? We did the question in the tutorial, and that's why we started the test, because the lesson is too easy, isn't it? The correct option is green. The third square is green. The correct option is yellow. The fifth one is yellow. Very good. The correct. What color is the first square? Start counting from the left. So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? The first square is blue. The correct option is blue. The correct option is green. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is ordinal numbers up to 100. What is the ninth letter in the passage? Basically, the ordinal number. What is the ordinal, right? When you write like this, hold on, when you write like this, first, second, third, these RD third and ND in the second, that tells you the position of any number, right? So they are the ordinal numbers. Whenever you write like this, 15th, right? 16th, they are the ordinal numbers, right? You have to add th, that they are the ordinals. What is the ninth letter in the passage? So you have to see the ninth one, right? Every blue 10th letter is blue. So that is the 10th one. This is the first 10th letter. You have to find the ninth one. So that means R is the ninth letter. The correct option is R. Let's just start with the test question. What is the eighth letter in the passage? So which is the correct option? Every 10th letter is blue. So this is the 10th letter. So which letter is 8th, 10? C is the 10th letter. So then the eighth one is the correct option is D. D is the eighth letter. The correct option is, can you guys please stop chatting? The correct option is D. If you don't want to do, you can leave. Do not create the mess. Stop chatting, I said. What is the 15th letter in the passage? Which is the correct option? The correct option is the 15th letter in the passage, right? The 10th is blue. So 11, 12, 13, 14, the 15th is H. The correct option is H. Option number one is the correct option. What is the 13th letter in the passage? Which is the correct option? The correct option is W is the 13th letter. Option number one is the correct option. The correct option is K is the 16th letter. The correct option is K. The first letter in the passage is yes, Y. The correct option is Y. What is the 20th letter in the passage? Twentieth letter. The correct option is S. Okay, you can complete the letter lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is writing numbers up to hundreds in words. So let's just start with the lesson. How do you write this number using digits? 20, 31, right? Usually when we pronounce the numbers like this, 31, right? We don't write, we don't write the number like this, 3 and 1. How do you pronounce 3, 1? We pronounce it 31. 30 means you are 3 tens and 31 means 3 tens and 1 ones. So the correct option is 31, right? Can you guys please stop chatting and focus on the lesson? Let's just start with the test questions. How do you write this number using digits? 35. Yes, very good. That is option number one. You can write it as 3 and 5. 35. That makes 35. How do you write this number using digits? 27, which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, option number three is the correct option. That's how you write 27. How do you write this number using 51? How do you write? The correct option is option number one is the correct option. How do you write this number using word 63, which is the correct option? Sixty-three, how do we write? That is option number three, 63. How do you write this number using words? 69, which is the correct option? That is option number three is the correct option. The correct option is 36. Yes, that's option number three is the correct option. How do you write this number using words, which is the correct option? Yes, that is option number one. That's how you write 66. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is writing numbers up to 1000 in words. How do you write this number using words? Basically, we write the numbers the way we read the numbers, right? How do you read 269? That is 269, right? The correct option is 269, right? First, you have to basically you have to see their place value, right? 1 is at the ones position, 6 is at the tens position, and 2 is at the hundreds position. So, how do we read? We read as 269. Let's just start with the test questions. How do you write this number using digits? 800. How do you write? The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. That's how you write 800. How do you write this number using words, which is the correct option? Yes, that is the last one, 706. Option number 3 is the correct option. How do you write this number using digits? 172. How do we write? Yes, that is option number 2. 172 is the correct option. How do you write this number using words, which is the correct option? That is 144. Option number 1 is the correct option. How do you write this number using words? 503. How do we write? That is option number 1. 503 is the correct option. How do you write this number using digits? 449, which is the correct option. That is option number 2 is the correct option. How do you write this number using words? 739. How do you write? The correct option is 739. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is Roman numerals 1, 5, 10, and 12. How would you write a Roman numeral 6? So basically, Roman numerals is another way to write to represent the numbers, write the numbers, right? You can write 1 as I, the second 2 you can write like this, 3 you can write like this, you can write 4, then you can have 5, right? Then 5 and 1, 6, 5, 6, and 7. If you add 1 on the right hand side, that means you are adding. If you add on the left hand side, that means you are subtracting. Look like this. Here this is 5, and on the opposite side 1, that means that is 4. So 7, 5, 6, 7, and 8 it is. Then you have 9, and then you have 10. Got it? So how do you write 6 as Roman numeral? 6 is 5 plus 1, right? So you can have 5 and 1 on the right hand side, that is 6. Let's just start the test questions. How, what number does the Roman numeral represent? Which number it is? That is 2. The correct option is 2. How do you write 1 as no Roman numeral? Which is the correct option? The second one, that's how you like 1, right? What number does the Roman numeral represent? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 3. The correct option is 3. What number does the Roman numeral represent? Which is the correct option? One it is. The correct option is 1. How do you how would you write 2 as a Roman numeral? So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, the third one is the correct option. What number does this Roman numeral represent? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? How would you write 5 as a Roman numeral? Which is the correct option? The correct option is no, that's option number 3. That's how you like write 5, right? Not 2. What number does this Roman numeral represent? Which is the correct option? 7 it is. The correct option is 7. How would you write 8 as Roman numeral? Which is the correct option? Yes, option 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we're working on is names of numbers. The lessons we have covered today are ordinal numbers up to 10th, ordinal numbers up to 100th, writing numbers up to 100 in words, writing numbers up to 1000 in words, then the Roman numerals we just finished, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions you can please ask. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.